Hi guys, मैं हूँ अश्मित
और मैं हूँ गरिमा
and welcome to our channel Dancers in Style. Okay, so today we have another styling video for you guys.
और आज हम उसी टॉपिक को कंटिन्यू करेंगे जो हमने लास्ट टाइम शुरू किया था एंड दैट इज अंडरटोन, योर स्किन अंडरटोन.
ये बहुत ही बड़ा टॉपिक है, बहुत वास्ट है, बट इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू नो योर अंडरटोन and to make decisions that align with your undertone.
And one of those decisions is choosing your hair color. It could be news, but it is true that your hair color should match your undertone, and for that you really need to know what your undertone is.
And to find out your undertone, we made a video last week, so you can check it out somewhere here or down there and check and find out your undertone and then come back here and figure out your hair color.
So what are the benefits of knowing your undertone and then ultimately knowing what hair color suits you? One, because if you choose a wrong color for your hair, तो आप पेल लगेंगे, आप सिक लगेंगे, आपकी बॉडी में वो, आपके स्किन में वो ग्लो नहीं रहेगा. तो इसीलिए बहुत ज़रूरी है जानना कि आपके स्किन को और अंडरटोन को कौन सा हेयर कलर सूट करेगा.
Or because we all know it's not a very cheap process, and the better color you want, the better place you're gonna go for, and the better the price you'll have to give. So it does cost a lot on your pocket, and it's a one-time thing for most of us. So it's better to figure these things out before sitting in that chair at the salon.
Yeah, and this video is gonna be rather helpful for college going girls जो अब शायद करवाएंगे, जो colleges जैसे ही खुलेंगे and you would want to get your hair colors changed to blend into that whole college aura. So this video is gonna be really helpful for you, so make sure that you watch it till the end. And there are 3 types of undertones. You can be cool, you can be warm, or you can be neutral. एंड टू डिफ्रेंशिएट, बेसिकली पहले तो हमने वीडियो में बता दिया है कि आप कैसे डिफ्रेंशिएट कर सकते हैं, बट बेसिकली टू डिफ्रेंशिएट फर्दर you need to look for a color that lacks warmth, and we're going to be explaining this further. But let's start with the blonde hair color.
There are very different undertones when it comes to getting a blonde hair color.
So you can either want a cool blonde or you should go for a warm blonde depending on your undertone.
Yeah.
And if you're a cool undertone, then you should go for
Ashy blonde.
Yeah.
Blonde colors that do not have the shades of red, orange, or anything that represents warmth. So they should lack that warmness in them. They should have tones of icy blue, tones of purple, tones of these colors which give you a cool effect or make you think of cooler things. So if you have a cool skin tone, you have to look for cool blonde colors, and if you have a warm skin tone, you have to look for warm blonde colors.
Like the color can have some golden undertone and some brown peeking through the hair, and some reddish, brownish, goldenish blonde. So if you're a warm undertone, then that is the type of blonde that you should go for. And you can add in one more step there. आपने decide कर लिया है कि आपकी undertone क्या है, then you can go ahead and look at the celebrities that match your undertone, and then you can see what hair color they have and what hair color suits them, and then you can show that picture to the salon guy.
Yeah, it should be like this is the right process to go for if you want to go through this. Like if you want to imitate someone, this would be a better process.
Now coming to the brown. So it will sound very weird कि मतलब आप कैसे ब्राउन कलर को कूल कर सकते हो, बिकॉज ब्राउन इज़ अ वेरी वार्म कलर. ब्राउन में भी अंडरटोन्स होते हैं, अंडरटोन्स ऑफ ब्लू एंड ग्रे एंड एशी ब्राउन. सो इफ़ यूर अ कूल अंडरटोन, देन दीज आर द कलर्स you should go for. Whereas if you are of a warm undertone, then brown mein you should opt for reddish brown and orangish brown and little hues of golden in between the browns. So that would look very good if you're like going for balayage technique. So keep this in mind. Now going ahead and moving to the black color. And yes, when we look at black, we just look at black and we don't see कि मतलब अंडरटोन ब्लैक में अंडरटोन
क्या,
तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा फैंसी और बहुत ही वियर्ड लगता है कि people even can see that black has undertones. But it is true, there is cool black with the hues of blue and purple, and there is the warm black which with the hues of red, and it will look very warm. So make sure when you're like, I'm gonna repeat myself here again, कि आप जब भी अपना कलर चूज कर रहे हैं डिपेंडिंग ऑन योर अंडरटोन, देन लुक फॉर lack of warmness in a color if you're a cooler undertone, and look for a deep enriching warm color if you're a warm undertone.
Now coming to the red hair, which is very, you know, fantasized kind of a hair color, and they're natural red haired women who have a beautiful red hue, but the red that they have matches with their undertone most of the time. So if you want to get a red hair color and be bold like that, and if you're a cool undertone, then go for red which lacks a lot of reddish and a lot of orangish shades in it, sort of gives a purple hue in the sun. If you're a warm undertone, go for reds which have red orangish hues coming out of them in the sun. So you can, like, I know it sounds a little complicated कि red में भी hues होंगे, but they exist. And you can see in these pictures that, you know, how different they are and how differently it has to be done for someone with a pale skin who has a very cool undertone, how different the red is, and for someone with very warm skin and a very warm undertone, what kind of a red they have gone for. So you can definitely see and figure out for yourself what goes for your undertone.
And now let's discuss the fantasy colors, and these colors are the colors that don't exist naturally, like the platinum white or the silver white hair color, or the rainbow hair color, blues, green, orange, and all
Yellows,
those bright hair colors.
Pinks. So if you're a cool undertone, you can very well carry off that platinum blonde hair, which is very much in trend, or which was when Kim Kardashian got it. Or you can go for, you know, colors which have purple hues or which have icy blue hues, and you can go crazy with the light green ones, electric green ones color, mint green, so that would look really great on your cool skin tone.
And on the other hand, if you are a warm undertone, then you should opt for bright orange, red, like bold red, yellows. So yeah, these are the colors that you can go for if you want the fantasy rainbow colors.
Yeah, I want to like experiment and be that bold girl.
But be aware that these are the colors that they won't look the same as they would on the first day that you get them done, because they change, because they merge with your own anatomy, your own skin tone. So you would have to get regular treatments done to make sure that they still have that vibrancy in them.
Yeah. The products that you get after have to be specific to your hair color, and they have to be, you know, the ones that don't diminish the color over time. So they're also very expensive. You have to keep in mind the aftercare budget, and the sun exposure that you get while you're working and all of that has to also be kept in mind, because the more you're in the sun, the lighter the colors are gonna get and the frizzier the hair are gonna get.
Somebody's talking from some personal experience.
Yay.
Story time!
Story time! So I like wanted to get my hair colored in college, and I used to like keep telling her बार बार कि मुझे hair color कराना है, hair color कराना है, without actually like going to the parlor, just keep fantasizing about it. And then she had some contact in L'Oreal salon, and then she got us like 2 appointments for some discount, so we went there.
And she got balayage done. ठीक है, so she has like this really lush black hair, voluminous and everything. So they had students there who were like learning about different techniques. तो जब अश्मित ने करवाया balayage, it looked so beautiful on her, and then everybody started taking pictures. ऐसे वैसे ऐसे वैसे, and we were like, we were so happy with the color, because ऐसे मतलब it was an experience to like experience to have when you're in college, to look a little different, थोड़ा क्या कहते हैं,
like gives you a different kind of a confidence, you know, like makes you feel like
you've grown up and you can do this.
and you're like that girl who gets her hair colored. So yeah, and then she had this really nice warm brown hair,
Yeah.
which was like hair color, which was like really good and looked really good on her. And then we would like go around walking in college.
But it looked good for a month. तो हमें ये तो
हाँ.
पता था कि हमें कलर करवाना है and ये वो, but we didn't know nothing
Nothing.
about aftercare. So we would shampoo like with regular
Regular.
shampoos and condition with regular conditioner.
I
And
didn't even use the conditioner. Like I don't like I had really long hair back then, so like it would take so much time for me to wash it that I would avoid the conditioner altogether. कि उसे और 2 मिनट लगेंगे, so let's just like keep it at bay for now.
I would like to add one other story here, but I'll keep it short. तो हम एक बार वहाँ गए थे, कहाँ पर? अबे यार, the place with the U thing, उदयपुर. हाँ, so we went to Udaipur, and throughout the 5-day trip, she just shampooed once, and for that
So,
one
5
day,
day, 3 day trip, 1 day going, 1 day
हाँ,
coming.
तो total तो 5 days हुए ना. So she just shampooed once, and for that too she woke up at 5 o'clock before everyone else did, because then she didn't want to occupy the washroom for a long time. So she woke up at 5 o'clock, got like
hair wash.
washed her hair, and then जब तक हम निकले for the day tour and everything, तो तब तक
They were dry,
just to make
yeah.
sure that her hair were dry for pictures till then.
Yeah. So yeah, but I had like really long hair back then. They were like till my waist, below my waist. So yeah.
And yeah, so we didn't take care of our hair coming back, and they got frizzy. We lost a lot of hair, which was not good, especially for
Yeah.
me.
And the color like it got lighter and lighter, lighter and lighter as the time passed. So yeah, it was a bad. I wouldn't say overall bad, but like we could have been more careful. Now we know.
Yeah. So we just hope that this video made sense to you. हमारी छोटी सी story made sense to you, and you
Yeah.
will be more careful while making this decision of getting your beautiful hair colored.
And if you're gonna do it with a friend so that it becomes a common mistake. Yeah. Or क्या? Go and so like a
Yeah.
story you can share with your fellow followers and YouTubers.
और ऐसे होता है ना कि मतलब you're going through something that is miserable and bad, then you can be just ऐसे दिल में लगता रहता है, चलो ठीक है, कोई नहीं, उसको भी
और तो
उसके
है।
भी साथ ऐसा हो रहा
कोई
है.
और
I'm
तो
not
है।
alone.
Actually, that really helps.
So guys, we'll see you next time.
We hope this video helped you, and we hope that you do subscribe to the channel, and we'll be coming with more such videos.
Bye. See you next time.